Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the latest and greatest in beauty. Today, we're getting up close and personal with a product that has taken the lip gloss world by storm. The Gloss Bomb Stix Shimmer in Fenty Glow from Fenty Beauty. It's a staple in many beauty bags, and if you haven't tried it yet, you're definitely in for a treat. Whether you're a gloss lover or a lipstick enthusiast looking for that added shine, let's see if this little gem truly lives up to the hype. The Gloss Bomb Stix Shimmer is designed to give your lips that perfect touch of sparkle and shine, but with a smooth, moisturizing formula that feels just as good as it looks. This twist-up stick offers easy on-the-go application, which is ideal if you want a quick swipe of glamour throughout the day. It's a versatile product too. You can wear it alone for a more natural, radiant look, or layer it over your favorite lipstick for that ultra glam shine. Fenty Glow, the iconic nude pink shade, gives your lips a soft, universally flattering pop of color that's perfect for any occasion. Now, when I first tried this product, I couldn't help but love how smooth and hydrating it felt on my lips. I've used many glosses before, but this one stood out for how comfortable it was. No sticky, heavy feeling. The texture is light, which makes it easy to apply without worrying about smudging or over-applying. I tested it in a few different scenarios. Wearing it alone during a busy morning, layering it over a matte lipstick for a more glamorous look during dinner, and even seeing how it held up during a coffee break. In all cases, it held its own, adding that much-needed sparkle without needing constant reapplication. On the pro side, the formula is definitely moisturizing. There's no drying or cracking, and it doesn't feel heavy like some glosses can. The shimmer is subtle but noticeable, making your lips look fuller and more radiant without being over the top. I also really appreciate the twist-up design. It's super convenient, and I didn't have to worry about a messy applicator. Now for the cons. While I love the hydrating formula, if you're looking for long-lasting wear, this gloss does need a reapplication after a few hours, especially if you've been eating or drinking. It's not something that's going to last through an entire day of heavy activity. Also, because of the shine factor, it's not the best option for those who prefer a matte finish. But let's be real, that's not what this product is all about. When it comes to value for money, the Gloss Bomb Stix Shimmer is on the higher end, but considering the quality of the product and the luxury of the brand, it's worth it for what you get. The hydrating formula and the ease of use really make it a solid choice if you're looking for a reliable lip gloss that doesn't feel sticky or drying. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are alternatives that can give you similar shine at a lower price point, though they may lack the luxurious feel of this product. Now, how does it compare to other glosses on the market? I'd say this one beats many drugstore options hands down, mainly because of the quality of the ingredients and the brand reputation behind it. However, in terms of high-end glosses, there are some alternatives with longer-lasting formulas, but none quite match the versatility and comfort of this particular Fenty Beauty product. The build quality is top-notch. The twist-up design feels solid, and the product itself is easy to carry in your bag or purse without worrying about it leaking or breaking. You're getting a well-made product that feels luxurious both in design and application. As for longevity, this gloss is designed to be reapplied regularly, so while it won't last all day, it's perfect for quick touch-ups. In terms of customer support, Fenty Beauty is known for being responsive, and they have an excellent track record when it comes to handling inquiries or issues. I personally haven't had to reach out, but based on the brand's reputation, I'd say you're in good hands if anything goes wrong. So, would I recommend this? Absolutely, especially if you're someone who loves a comfortable, glossy lip that adds just the right amount of shine. It's not for everyone, especially if you prefer a matte finish or need a gloss that'll last all day. But if you're a fan of Fenty Beauty or just want to treat yourself to something that feels luxurious and smooth, you'll love this one. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear if you're a fan of Fenty Glow or if you prefer a different shade. Thanks for tuning in, And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.